How to make $1 million a year in real estate. In today's dynamic real estate market, achieving $1 million income within a year is an ambitious but feasible goal for dedicated and strategic investors. Here are key strategies to guide you towards this financial milestone. 1. Identify profitable markets. Conduct thorough market research to pinpoint areas with high demand, low inventory, and potential for appreciation. Focus on emerging neighborhoods or regions experiencing economic growth. 2. Leverage financing options. Utilize creative financing strategies such as private money lending, partnerships, or leveraging equity in existing properties to maximize purchasing power and scale investments. 3. Target higher-ROI properties. Prioritize properties with strong potential for rental income or value appreciation. Consider distressed properties for renovation and resale, short-term rentals in tourist hotspots, or multi-unit buildings for consistent cash flow. 4. Implement efficient management systems. Streamline property management processes through automation and outsourcing where possible. Efficient management ensures optimal cash flow and minimizes operational expenses. 5. Utilize tax benefits. Leverage tax advantages available to real estate investors, such as depreciation deductions, 1031 exchanges for tax deferral, and deductions for mortgage interest and property taxes. 6. Diversify investment portfolio. Spread investments across diverse property types and locations to mitigate risk and capitalize on varying market trends. Consider commercial properties, vacation rentals, or development projects alongside residential assets. 7. Monitor market trends. Stay informed about market trends, interest rate fluctuations, and regulatory changes impacting the real estate sector. Adapt investment strategies accordingly to capitalize on emerging opportunities. 8. Build a strong network. Cultivate relationships with industry professionals, real estate agents, lenders, and investors. Networking enhances access to deals, funding sources, and valuable insights for successful investment decisions. By implementing these strategies with diligence and expertise, real estate investors can navigate today's economy to achieve $1 million income within a year.